Now the question is multiplication of decimal. So we can multiply a decimal fraction with a decimal fraction, or we can multiply the decimal fraction with a whole number, or we can multiply a decimal fraction with 10, 100, 1000 like numbers. So let's check. If we multiply a fraction with a whole number, then this is just normal multiplication. We put the decimal fraction as it is just below. Here there are two places after the decimal point, so we have to put the decimal points before the two place. Again, here is another example. So here is the result. Now we put the decimal point before two place, because there are two place after the decimal point, that is here, and this is the product. Now how we can multiply a decimal fraction with like 10, 100 number? Suppose we multiply this with a 10. Since there is 20, then decimal number will float one place to the right, since there is only 10, so the result will be this. Again, very simple. Since there are two zeros, then the decimal number will float to the two place to the right. That means the answer will be one place and two place, so the decimal puts here. If we multiply this with 1000, then the decimal number will float three place to the right. That means the result will be, that's mean if we multiply then the result will be 4 place, but there is no 4 place, so we have to put a 0 and then we put decimal point, so the answer is this. Now how we can multiply a decimal fraction with a decimal fraction? Okay, we take example. Now how you can multiply this? Just first of all, just simple multiplication. This. Now we put the decimal point, the total places after the decimal point. That means for the first decimal fraction, there after the decimal point there are two place, and for the second there are one place. Total is 3 place. So we have to put the decimal point before the 3 place, 1, 2 and 3. That's mean here. So the product is 2.7, because there is no value of the zeros after the decimal point. We check this another example. Here is the result. Now how you can put the decimal point? So after this decimal point there are 2 place, and after this decimal point there are 2 place, total 4 place. So we have to put the decimal point before the 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. We put the decimal here. and this is the answer. Okay, now come to division of decimal. So there are some kind of division. You can divide a decimal fraction with a whole number, or a decimal fraction with a decimal fraction, or a decimal fraction with 10, 100, 1000 types of number. So first of all, we divide a decimal number with a whole number. How we divide? We take example. So how we divide this? By normal process. Look, this is whole number part and this is decimal part. So first we divide the whole number part. 2 ones are 2, 0. So whole number part is complete. So we put decimal here. Now we get 3. 2 ones are 3. Sorry, 2 ones are 2. 1, 6. 16. 2 eights are 16. So this is how we divide. Again, we take another example. How you divide this? Look, here the whole number part is smaller than the divisor. So we can divide the whole number part alone. So we put a 0 and put the decimal point. Now we consider these 2 digit alone and we consider this as 47. So 4, 5 is a 45. We get 2 and 7. 3 9s are 27. So when the whole number part is smaller than the divisor, we have to put the decimal point upward and we take these 2 digits as a single number. Again, here is another example. Here, look, here the whole number part is 0. So we direct go to divide the decimal number part. So we here put the decimal point and now we divide. We consider these 2 digits as a single number. So we put 0 here because we get only 4 here. We cannot divide this. So we put 0 and we get 49. 4 11s are 44. 5 11s are 55. Since here whole number part is 0, so we put the decimal here and directly go to decimal divisor. Another one. How we divide this? First of all, we divide the whole number part. 3 5s are 15. It's complete. So we put decimal here. We get 0, but we cannot divide 0 with 3. So we put a 0 and now we get 1. But still we cannot divide this 1 along with 8. So we put 0 and get another one, 8. Now 3 6 are 18. This is how we have to divide a decimal fraction with a whole number. Now come, if we divide the decimal fraction with 10, 100, 1000 type numbers. We take a number. Since there is only 1 0, then decimal point will float one place to the left side. That means the answer is 6. Just opposite the multiplication rule. In the multiplication rule, the decimal number floats on the right side and in division the decimal number floats on the left side. We take another example. So here are 3 zeros, so the decimal point will float 3 place to the left side, 1, 2 and 3. So the decimal point comes in the front of the number, and since we don't leave the decimal point alone in the front, so we put a 0. Okay, this is how we divide the decimal fraction with this type of number. Now question is, if there is this type of division, so by default we consider the decimal point is at the last of this whole number. So here are 2 zeros, the decimal number will float 2 place to the left. So this 3 is 1 place to float, and we put 0, and this is the second place, and now we write the 0. Now we divide a decimal number or a whole number with a decimal. So how we divide this? We take an example, this. To divide like this, first of all we have to remove the decimal point. This is how we remove the decimal. For the decimal point we get 1, and after the decimal point the number of places is equal to the number of zeros. Now we put a multiplication mark and just write the reciprocal of this part. That's means 10 by 16. Now we just simplify this. 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s. So it is 56 by 10. That's mean 5.6. Very easy. This process is too much easy. We take another example. Here we divide a whole number with a decimal number. No problem. First of all we have to remove the decimal point like this. Now we write the reciprocal of this part with a multiplication sign. That's means 10 by 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 16s are 18. So the answer is 32. And this is how we divide a whole number or a decimal number with a decimal fraction. Thanks for watching my video.